Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafiz and today I want to present to you about our innovation on our company. There are 6 members on our team, that is Ahmad Yuwais, Azrul Shah, Luman Hakim, Mazwan Azim, Muhammad Nazafi and me. We are from Mahus Nemrhat. Our innovation is Smartwatch hand sanitizer. First of all, let me introduce to you about our company. Mahus Berhad is a private limited company that helps users in daily life depending on the functionality of the product. This company has been operated since 23rd September 2021. It took 9 months from registration date to be operated. During that 9 months, we set up too well prepared to start the operation. Our activity is innovate product for smartwatch and others technology. Next is our location. Mahus Berhad is a manufacturing company that located at kawasan perindustrian Bangi, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor. You can freely contact us on provided telephone number or email us. This is our team for this innovation. Ahmad Yuwais as a Chief Executive Officer, Luqman Hakim and Azrin Shah as Chief Operating Officer, Muhammad Nazafi as a Chief Executive Financial, Mazwan Azim as Chief Executive Technology, and Muhammad Hafiz as Chief Executive Marketing. Why do we need innovation on our company? First of all, it to increase our value of our product. It can be happen by create different words of the product for end user. Then focus on product quality and design. We create the perception that no other substitutes available in market. Next is create uniqueness on our product. Create the difference in quality or design that others do not have. Last but not least is to create brand loyalty by deliver quality or value to consumer to maintain consumer loyalty.
A smartwatch is a wearable computing device that looks like a wristwatch. The watch interface allows the user to initiate and answer phone calls from their mobile phone, read email, and text message. Some smartwatch can collect data regarding to wearer health and can monitor the wearer's heart rate. Others give a GPS data which may be used to provide walking or driving instructions. Hand sanitizer, also known as a hand antiseptic, is an agent that is applied to hand in order to remove common pathogens. This product was produced or innovated in response to a need. A pandemic is defined as the global spread of a new illness, viral respiratory disorders caused by novel influenza virus or coronavirus COVID-19. Furthermore, due to the lack of devices that can monitor health management, most of them from equipment that has a high cost level to acquire and is difficult to every family to own simply. The usage of hand sanitizer is also extremely burdensome, with the purchase of a little bottles that are reasonably rapidly exhausted and will take up a considerable space in the bag or pocket if you buy a large one. This graph is obtained from WHO website and display the cases that have been confirmed in Malaysia between December 2019 until May 2022. Here, we can also observe where the infection rate and the vaccination dose intake for the global population and Malaysia are still quite adequate even though infection is still possible. Why it need to be innovated? As a result, the production and the use of sanitizer is vital, especially while outside, to prevent the virus from sticking to the hands and more likely affected facial region. The development of the smartwatch sanitizer product as a result of the combination of two separate things into one, which is a two-in-one product. It will benefit customers even more, with functional practicality being the most crucial features. The user has only to move the wrist and the sensor will detect swiftly, blasting sanitizer fluid into the palm of hand. It is also compatible with a related programs such as fitness app, health tracker, and most crucially for Malaysian users is My Sejahtera apps. It works with a Bluetooth connection between the smartwatch and the smartphone.
Basically, our product type is an incremental innovation. Our company developed a new function on the smartwatch by adding heavy-duty tank that contains hand sanitizer. Our product also can be connected to smartphone by using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so that it will alert the user to sanitize their hands and notify them when the volume of hand sanitizer is at low level. The smartwatch hand sanitizer is an improvement category. During this pandemic COVID-19, people need to wash their hands or sanitize their hands to kill germs or virus frequently. By that, our company is attempting to make a little modification to the present product, which is smartwatch, in order to increase its features and usefulness. The function added is hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer will be mounted with the smartwatch in order to ease user to sanitize their hands.
Hi, I'm Lokman Akib bin Wazali, and this video I want to talk to you about the future product, which is smartwatch sanitizer for IR 4.0. Purpose of the product is design a smartwatch sanitizer device that can easily integrated into person daily lifestyle. A smartwatch sanitizer come from either IR 4.0 or for industrial revolution by increasing product smartwatch sanitizer to produce good more efficiency and productivity across the value chain. The smartwatch sanitizer done such that the watch dive face the upper side of the arm with an sanitizer module on the lower side of a hand with a minimalistic approach is adapted for the design of the product. Okay, for the dimension of the smartwatch sanitizer, first we go for the length from the smartwatch, which is 25.5 centimeter, and for the sanitizer container 80.5 centimeter, and for the weight smartwatch sanitizer 11.8 centimeter, and for sanitizer container 14.0 centimeter, and for the weight of the product, which for the detail about smartwatch is 120 1.0 gram, and for sanitizer container 2.2 gram is average amount dispensed in one time per spray. How to use the smartwatch sanitizer? Okay, the first thing, smart sensor will detect any object from any radius around 1.5 meter. After that, the notification we get an alert. The notification come from the sensor. Sensor detection will receive and display on smartwatch, and then by connecting with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After that, smart spraying active, and the sensor will spraying with a small sanitizing is dispensed with each spray in front of surface or object. After that, from the smartwatch notification alert of the object, we save on the data, cloud data for different.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to continue. So as you can see, this is the view of our product from 4 different angles, and this is the dimension of our product and the size. So originality. Okay, the originality of our product, what differentiates our product with other smartwatches in the market is that we add one more functionality. Which is a sanitizer, which each tank can contain up to 100 milliliter of sanitizer. Okay, it comes with 500 milliamp of battery, 1.5 inch touch display. The sensor can detect up to 1.5 meter, and we can spray up to 100 times. Okay, so the tank can fill up to 100 milliliter. Okay, so the strap 3D printed. It is comfortable, flexible, and water resistant. Okay, so the industry 4.0 elements that we use to produce our product is the Internet of Things, IoT, a network of physical objects that comes with sensors, software, and other technologies. And these things can make us exchange real-time data with other connected devices over the networks. Okay, so a smart factory is a digitized manufacturing facility that uses connected devices to continuously collect and share data. Okay, so we also use artificial intelligence, AI, of course, right, to interpret the data. Okay, so cloud-based marketing also we use in this data to store memories. Okay, so memory and amount of memory. So this is a bill of material which covers two parts, which is mechanical parts and electronic parts of components. Okay, so all the mechanical components part cost $20.53 for one unit of smart sanitizing watch. So the cost of electronic components is of course higher because it comes with a lot of sensor and everything about electronics is a bit higher compared to mechanical components. Okay, so the total is $59.50 so the total material cost per smart sanitizing watch is $80.03. Okay, so thank you. That's all from me.
Okay, next I will present about the target market for our company. So in our company, we are target our product to sell at the smartphone user and smartwatch user. These two users are definitely always using this gear as their daily activities, and they have more potential to buy our product compared with the people who does not have any smartphone. The second point is about our product is suitable for the person who is 17 to 60 years old. For the person who under 17 years old, they need a parent guideline and monitoring from them. Next is the advantage of the product. Our product can be connected with the iOS and Android operating system. The second point is the people does not need to bring any hand sanitizer in bottle. Instead of the smartwatch have already hand sanitizer function, and it helps them to hang out during indoor or outdoor activities.